At Bryan Easler Toyota, our used cars come with a lifetime powertrain warranty and a 5-day buyback guarantee. Check it out.
Take a ride in the 2021 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.
Easler makes it easy.